Good morning, students of standard 12th. This instruction is for those students who are very few and are not attending online classes. Students watching videos of a particular topic helps you to understand the topic, but if you join online classes, then you are able to understand the details of the topic very well. So students, please join online classes also. Thank you, students. Students, today we are going to discuss chapter 9, food production, from topic plant breeding for disease resistant. The germplasm, that is the collection of genes of disease resistant plants, should be obtained. Students, initially the germplasm of disease resistant plant must be obtained. The selected parental generations should be hybridized to obtain more improved disease resistance for specific disease. Students, this point is very important, where the selected parental generation, that is the parental generation which has been selected of the disease resistance, should again be hybridized so that more improved disease resistance for specific disease can be obtained. So it's the same concept is being explained in this picture, where there are two different varieties you can see, variety X and variety Y, with two different disease resistant capabilities, and further is being crossed so that a new variety of the plant is being produced, which is the hybrid variety of the plant. Now this plant which you can see here is more better than variety X and variety Y, because it has more improved disease resistance for specific disease in comparison to variety X, which is here, and variety Y, which is here. From the hybridized new disease resistant plants, selection of the desired variety with desirable features is ensured. So this is the next step, where even from the hybridized new disease resistant plants, again the selection of a new variety with desirable features is ensured, which helps in improvising the disease resistant capability of a plant. Students, this concept becomes more clear when we notice that the plants are being continuously grown, you can see here, and they are grown till the best variety of the plant with more improved disease resistant capability is obtained. The new hybrid variety is further tested for pure line traits of it, which can be done by continuous growing and eliminating undesirable plants and growing only desirable plants with desired features. Students, it is the most important process to obtain disease resistant plants, where the most selected new hybrid desired variety is not left and rather is further tested for pure line trait. Students, here pure line trait, that is the characteristic, that is the disease resistance capability of the plant is assumed to be of superior level in the pure line trait, and to obtain the extremely higher disease resistant qualities of the plant can be done only by continuous growing and eliminating undesirable plants. So here we can notice that the undesirable plants are being continuously eliminated during the growing process, and only desirable plants with desired features are only grown. Which is very easily explained in this diagram also, where you can see the two different plants are being bred again to form a completely new plant, and this plant now will be continuously grown, and during the growing process the desirable plant with desirable features only will be further grown, and the undesirable plants with undesirable features will be continuously eliminated in order to obtain the most improved disease resistant varieties. Students, the new hybrid variety of desired disease resistant feature in specific plant is finally released for farmers to purchase and cultivate in agricultural plot. So students, here you can notice that the new variety, that is the new hybrid variety for the disease resistance, which is having the feature of disease resistant in it, is finally released for farmers to purchase and cultivate in agricultural plot. So here students, you can see clearly that two different plants are being crossed, that is are bred, and finally the most advanced plant with advanced features of disease resistance is selected. This plant is only selected. You can see that this plant is not only having the most improved disease resistant feature, but is also quite longer in length in comparison to the parental genesis, because it is more longer in length. So, this plant is being grown and is further released for farmers to grow and cultivate in agricultural plot, because it has both the features. It is more longer so that it can bear more cereals, more fruits in it, and apart from that, it is also modified into disease resistant plant. Students, now let us discuss important question, that is, explain the process to obtain disease resistant plants. For obtaining specific disease resistant plants, germ plasm of disease resistant plants should be collected. Friends, we have already discussed that germ plasm is the collection of genes, and which definitely needs to be collected, and from it desired variety of disease resistant plants should be selected. Now students, from this germ plasm collected, desired varieties of disease resistant plants should be selected again. Then selected plants for desired features is hybridized. So students, the selected plants after hybridization is not only the most improvised plant, so selection again should be done from the hybridized plants which are newly obtained. Now students, here the new hybridized variety which has been obtained due to the hybridization process should again be selected and further should be grown continuously for many generations. Students, here the selected plants which are new hybridized plants are continuously grown for many generations, so that we can obtain the plant which has more desirable features along with higher disease resistance capability. Now students, the undesirable variety should be eliminated, which you can see here. During this growing of the new hybrid variety, the undesirable varieties should be eliminated and desired variety should be selected. So students, here during the growing of new hybridized variety, the undesirable varieties is being eliminated, so that only the improvised variety of the plant with higher disease resistance is left for our selection, because the undesirable variety has already been eliminated during the growing of crops. Pure line trait of desired disease resistant variety of the plant is finally obtained, and which is further released for farmers to cultivate. Students, pure line, as I have already explained, pure line ensures that the characteristic is extremely improved, and such kind of extremely improved variety of the plant having improved disease resistance will be finally released for the farmers to cultivate. Thank you, students.